Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a peachy cheap haul kind of thing I bought. And when I signed this, I had one thought in my head, is it could coordinate with some Dollar Tree stickers. And I'm going to show you the peachy cheap stuff first, and then I'm going to show you the stickers that I thought it would work good with it from the Dollar Tree. And it is called the Prima 31. And I just thought it was so pretty. And I'm going to show you the paper. It came with a 6x6 paper pad, 2 ephemera packs, a thing of stickers, and then a thing of washi tape. So I'm going to share the paper with you first. And I think you get 4 sheets of each. There are a total of 32 sheets in here, double-sided, acid and lignin free. 8 double-sided designs, 4 sheets of each. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think it looks so cool. This is the one side. And I actually went and looked at, check out the bigger pad. I'm thinking about buying it. Cause after I got this one, I'm like, I really like this. So, and I like how it shows you on the top what it is. So, we got that. And then we have this one. The little, you could cut these out, use them like that, or just use the whole sheet. And then on the other side is brooms. I love the real pastel colors. Really lightly pastel. And then we got it's like orange and pink pumpkins here. And then it goes to the stripes. Love it, love it, love it. And then we have the little ghost, and it has like the splattered paint of pink and orange. And then the black with the little, it's very tiny stars. Then we have the little cats, and it has a spider web. It says Happy Halloween in the black and then the pink. And then it has the orange polka dots on the back. And then we have the cauldron, the spell book, the witch's hat, and then a bottle that says 31. It's a really light pink. And then on the back side of this one is the candy. And that's it. Oh, maybe not. Oh, no. And on this one we have more little cut aparts. And then we have the jack-o'-lanterns. Love it. Now I think that's the last one. Oh, maybe not. Getting ahead of myself. Here's another one, little journal cards. And then the ghost, which is a off. There's not. They're not pink, but it's a very off, subtle white. And that's that. So that is the 6x6 paper pad. And I think they have an 8x8 and a 12x12, because I'm thinking about picking up the 8x8, because once I got this yesterday, I was like, yes, I like it. Excuse me. And then we got the little puffy stickers in this, and it's got a cat, it says pumpkins, candy corn, a ghost, a jack-o'-lantern, a book of magic. Oh, I bet you that says book of magic. Now that, let me see, where is that one? Yep, book of magic. You got candy, you got a heart, candy corn, a kitty cat, jack-o'-lantern's heart, witch's hat, the witch's cauldron. It says, hey, pumpkin. You have a ghost, some candy corn, witch's brew, 31 bottle, another cat, and a candy. And then more puffies. And then we have a thing of ephemera. Oh. It's 35 pieces in this one. This is what they're on the back. I don't want to. But I didn't want to open it. I thought it'd be cool. We'll open it. Let's see. I like. Oh man. Alrighty. But you can use that. Be careful, Tina. Okay. Look at, you can use that little, cut that. You got a nice little piece right there to work with as also. So let's check out the ephemera in this pack. Woo. So we got a heart. We have a little girl with a jack-o'-lantern. We have pumpkin. We have I love the old cat. I love how that looks. The old-fashioned cat, a jack-o'-lantern, a witch, very vintagey. The popsicle or lollipop, a little spooky bingo card, a witch's broom. See how subtle that pink is? We have October 31st. We have a little cat looking into the moon. We have a spider web. We have a ghost. We have this one that has a spider hanging. It says Happy Halloween. Here's another little lollipop, lollipop, lollipop. Here's an old school witch. It says it's Halloween. Witch's brew. Another jack-o'-lantern with a witch's hat on. A bottle that says 31. Here's a little cute little ghost. We have another jack-o'-lantern. This actually comes out. We have another little candy corn. We have this image of a woman and a witch, black and white. And this says, "Hey pumpkin." And we have some more candy corn, another heart. And then we have 32 threes and a 1. I guarantee I'm going to drop the 1 to make 31. So that was the ephemera pack 35. I love it. Okay, put these all up. Or they accidentally gave me another 3. Yeah, I got a bonus 3. So I got an extra 3. I'll find me another little bag for that. And then we got this ephemera pack, and it's 27 pieces in this one, and that's what's in that one. So let's check it out, guys. And look at it, still can use that. So let's see, we got all the candy. We got Happy Halloween, Scary Cute. Ooh, look at the butterfly. Actually, it's a moth, not a butterfly. A witch's hat. We got Halloween chewing gum whistle. Old school looking. We have a spider web. Candy corn. A book of magic. Then we have the jack-o'-lanterns with the witch's hat on top. Oh, candy corn. Another heart. We have a little pink ghost that reminds me of Pac-Man thing. Then we have the kitty cat, more pale pink. We have this cat. We have the old school cat. And, oh, it's a moon and clouds, subtle, very pink, very light pink. Candy. We got a heart and some candy corn. Here's the witch's cauldron. And then we have a moon. We have a bingo card that says trick or treats. And old testament image, vintage looking. And 3 little Halloween tags in that ephemera pack. That's a nice pack too. So let's put these away. Oh, how I had that in there. Ooh. Also included in this bundle that from Peachy Cheap was this Heidi Swap washi tape. This one on the bottom says hello, black and white, little dots, stripes, a weird zigzag design, little dots, silver, black and white, and like a black silver up on top. There's a better view of it. And then the one on the bottom says hello. Now, when I saw this paper, pick Good one. We'll pick these front cuts. When I seen this and I looked closely at it, all I saw was the new Dollar Tree packs this year that came out with the pink pumpkin, the light pink. I thought it would look good together. I think it really does. It really coordinates. Then also with the new sticker packs from the Dollar Tree for Halloween, there's this one with this kind of little guys, and I thought them would look good coordinating with this also because of the colors. They're just, I mean, look at, doesn't that look good as on a card layout? The color is perfect. Let's take this out. Oh my lord. Jesus. I'm just gonna pick, look at, oh, I'm gonna, come on. See how good that matches up? It looks so good together. So, I thought, man, that would look, this whole paper pack, I mean, look at that. Awesome. Both of them just look so good together. You can use them. So when I saw this little bundle on Peachy Cheap, I had no intentions to buying any paper pad for Halloween, but kind of got my arm twisted there with this paper pad. I like I said, I'm thinking about picking up the 8x8 in the next week here or two. But it all, from the Dollar Tree to their ephemera, it all could work together. So I thought that was a bonus. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday, September 5th. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Have a good day, everybody.